This is a Raw Sports Player Interview Edition. I'm Nick Baker. This is Nate Hughes, quarterback at the Sunnyside Wildcats. So Nate, you've been putting in a lot of hard work this summer. You know, it's showing out here on the scrimmage. You know, how do you feel this summer's went so far?
Man, I think our summer went great. All we did was just get better and better each day, coming back faster, stronger, and just being ready for this upcoming season.
Now, you know, you did pretty well tonight. You threw a lot of long balls. You know, you had some completions out there. How do you feel you did tonight?
I think I did good. Just got to keep improving. There's always room for improvement, always.
Game by game, just, you know, improve every game.
Yep.
Now, who do you guys play your first week?
We got Clovis North our first week, August 25th. Stay tuned.
There it is, Clovis North. Watch out, they're coming for you. Now, you know, as a team this year, what do you guys want to accomplish?
We want to accomplish a lot. We want to get that league title, and we coming for them rings, baby. Be ready for it.
D2, watch out, they're coming for those rings. Now, here's the biggest question. Who do you want to beat most this year?
Hey, Central better be ready. Eyes open.
There it is, Central. They're coming for you. Thank you, Nate, and good luck with your season.
Thank you.